And living in where? It's a can.
Look at that. What's
Whoa,
that?
what is that?
Whoa.
Whoa, that is something.
Not that hard. What's going on, guys? This is Josh. Welcome back to the channel. I got my fishing hat on because we're going fishing today. We are going magnet fishing. We are here at White River in Indianapolis. I'm here with my brother, his two kids, and then my son here. And we are gonna catch. What do you guys think we're gonna catch? Any guesses? Everybody pick one thing that we're gonna catch and we'll see.
Hopefully a car door.
A car door? That's your guess? I think we're gonna find a knife.
Yeah, some
Because
coins.
people fish out here all the time. You know?
Yeah, some British coins. Those are magnetics.
Are they? British ones are?
Coins are magnetics.
See, I told you not all the coins are magnetic.
British coins.
What do you think, Matt?
I think we find a gun.
A gun?
A BB gun.
Rhea, what do you think?
Same.
A safe? Oh, that would be epic.
Safe full of millions.
Then we can have a whole nother video of us trying to open the thing. That would be
Yeah,
epic.
get like a power cable. Like,
So leave it down in the below. Let us know what you guys think we're gonna catch. All right, he's got the magnets. Let me see.
Don't get it too close to your camera.
I know. Sweet.
guess what?
You want to see how powerful it is? Is
Oh, it's super powerful. I can tell already. What are they rated? 400 pounds?
that what it says?
I don't know. I was looking.
Put them together.
Oh, geez. Don't put your finger between them. Yep.
Guess what? First find in the day.
Okay. All right. So this should do the trick. We got some nylon rope here. Let's get them all attached up, and we'll get fishing. We got the first magnet all set up. I'm just giving myself a little extra rope here, and I think we're gonna go easy the first time. Throw her out, not too far. Here we go.
There you're gonna get.
That was terrible, but that's all right.
You guys.
Let it sink to the bottom first. Okay. There we go. Magnet.
So we're gonna find some nails.
That's all right.
hooks.
I didn't throw it very far this time.
I don't think you got anything.
A couple pieces of something that are magnetic down here.
Oh yeah, some like rocks that are
Rocks,
magnetic.
yeah, that's weird.
There you go.
Not really.
Nope.
That was actually good.
Kind of move her around a little bit. Oh, well,
What?
something.
Really?
No, maybe not. Thought I felt something. Nope, just more rocks. It's harder than it looks.
Not bad.
It is.
Oh, thank goodness.
Hold on, I got some.
Oh, you did?
Oh, it came off.
Gosh. At least we know something's in there. Why?
Ooh. So these rocks are magnetic.
Yeah, some rocks are magnetic.
Some bigger ones. So that's all we're getting so far are these. We might have to switch to another spot. Under that bridge over there, under that bridge, there might be some stuff because people like to throw things off the bridge when they walk off, or when they walk by, or when they drive by. Yeah, you gotta let go of the rope. You can't hold onto the rope. All right, he's pulling around. Let's see what he's got. Nothing.
Really?
Oh, you got some rocks.
Yeah, sure. That's gotta be a broken nail.
A nail?
Yeah, that's gotta be a. Can't tell what that is.
It does look like a nail, but like the circle part's broken off.
Yeah.
So guys, I just found a nail.
Bent nail.
Yeah, a bent nail while magnet fishing. And I found a fishing hook. Very sharp. I also found something else, but it ran away from me. But pretty good. It's a hook.
All right, so this is what they got so far. This is some sort of cap. I don't know what it is. It could be a, actually it could be a gas cap for an old car, honestly. We've got a fishing hook, a couple nails. That's pretty much it. We've only been here, what, 45 minutes or so?
Something like that.
Yeah, so that's not too bad. We might move on to a different spot eventually. Oh, look at that throw. Impressive. Not bad at all, actually. That's pretty much what we've been getting all day. These magnetic rocks. Wow.
I like my feet. I don't care.
That downtown skyline though.
Got like a tinfoil wrapper and golden bottle cap, which I really like collecting golden bottle caps.
Not bad.
Or just bottle caps.
Oh, I can see something. Yeah, there's definitely something on this one. Look, Callum.
Yep.
What is it? Shiny.
Cap
It's a bottle cap. Second bottle cap of the day. This one's a Miller High Life. Oh, come on, you're a pro. Don't step on it. You're on the rope.
I'm gonna go really far.
Good throws, guys. Good throws, both of you. All right, they're getting really good at this. But I think we're gonna wrap it up pretty soon, guys. I just think we're in the wrong spot. I think we're gonna have to come back another day and do this all again. Maybe we'll get bigger magnets. Maybe we'll go to a different spot, but I think we'll have better luck next time. Let me show you guys what we got so far. I haven't updated you guys. You saw the cap. That was probably the best thing we got, was the cap. Matt, what do you think? Is that a gas cap?
I don't know.
I think it is for like one of those old cars.
Yeah, maybe.
Cause look at the inside.
tell.
Yeah, I think it is. It has like a ridge on the inside. I'm pretty sure that's an old gas cap. But you got a hook, tons of nails, a couple bottle caps. This was on there. This is just aluminum foil, I think. But yeah. Best part is we get this stuff and we can go throw it away, get it out of the water. Those are our treasures for today. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys want to see us do this again, let us know. Leave a like, leave a comment, let us know. Until next time, we'll see ya. Bye. Nobody?
Bye.
No, nobody? All right, guys, almost over to the car and I got yelled back because somebody caught something epic. Hold on. What was it?
Something living in here.
Living in where? It's a can.
There's something living in there.
Is your name just Mud?
No, I saw something. What the heck is that?
Is it a frog?
Look at that. What's
Whoa, what is that?
Whoa!
Whoa, that is something.
Here, dump it down right here on the ground. Hard. Dump it hard.
What the frick is that?
It's a crawdad.
It's a crawdad. He found a home.